In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the text color in Gmail using your PC. If you're looking to personalize your emails and make them stand out, this tutorial will guide you through the process step by step. So let's dive right in and explore how easy it is to add a splash of color to your Gmail messages. The first thing you need to do is open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Gmail website. Once you're on the Gmail homepage, log into your account with your email credentials. If you don't have an account, you can create one by clicking on the Create Account button and following the on-screen instructions. Once logged in, you'll see your Gmail dashboard, which is the main hub for managing your emails. To start composing an email, click on the Compose button, usually located in the top left corner of the Gmail interface. This will open a new message window where you can begin typing your email. Now, let's focus on the toolbar that appears at the bottom of this new window. This toolbar is your go-to for enhancing your email's formatting, including changing the text color. In this toolbar, you'll see a capital A icon with an underline, which represents the text formatting options. Click on this icon, and a small menu will appear, displaying various formatting choices like bold, italics, and underline. Here, you'll want to look for the small icon that resembles a paint palette, labeled Text Color. Clicking on this will bring up a range of color choices that you can apply to your text. Select your desired color by clicking on it, and the text you type from then on will be in that color. If you've already typed some text and want to change its color, simply highlight the specific portion of text, click on the text color icon, and then choose the color you prefer. Your selected text will immediately update to reflect this change. When you're happy with your message and its colorful new appearance, you can proceed to add your recipient's email address, subject line, and any attachments by using the respective fields in your email draft. Once everything is in place, click the Send button to deliver your vividly styled email to its destined recipient. And there you have it. You've successfully added a splash of color to your Gmail messages, making them not only eye-catching, but also personal and fun. Implementing these simple steps can really enhance your email experience by allowing you to express yourself better and communicate more effectively through the power of color. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful Gmail tips and tricks.